Hello people, so today I'm going to show you this software that allows you to customize all of your Gohighlevel software. So what you have right here, and you can buy the solution library or the customizer or both in one subscription. Okay, so what you have in the customizer right here is you can add also translation. All right, so you can translate your Gohighlevel to Spanish, German, I don't know, whatever you want. It works with Google Translate, so you can have whatever language you want, and that will help you expand your offer. All right, and well, also you can customize the menu right here, location menu, and you can add different menus from different location IDs. All right, and so as you can see here, I have a menu in Spanish, and there's also a menu with different names. But what is very interesting is the customizer. Right here is going to allow you to customize a lot of stuff. And so let me pass right here, but because I can show you this. So I can show you this. All right. So you can pause. You can pause the video right here, so you can see everything that has right here. Yeah, you can add a contact button. So this will help you the user experience of your software. So yeah, so you have a drop down menu, contact fixes, custom favicon. You also have update the title tag. So as you can see, opportunity tags, email statistics. This works really good. Logo click, go to dashboard, turn trigger folders. This is great. And you can also see what triggers are on and what triggers are off. Filter conversations for, well, show data on opportunity cards, disable trigger warning. You can see enable drive links and open in new window. View map in button in contacts, protect and hide folders, snoot contacts. So a lot of stuff this is JavaScript, right? So this will help you a lot. Opportunities. So right here, so this helped me a lot. Like having a lot of people told me, hey, I don't have any leads. Well, you have leads, but you have a filter right here, and adding just this little icon, it will help a lot. Also autocomplete, messaging upgrade, calendar upgrade, contact smart leads, hide location switch. If you have only one location, you can hide that. Blur content details for demos. All right, so you have a lot of stuff, and you can also restrict certain things from the settings. Admin user menu configuration. You can also add different menus. Contact buttons. The contact buttons is right here. So this is a contact button. You can add different buttons right here. And what else? You also have custom buttons. These buttons will show right here in the dashboard. So as you can see here, I have 3 different buttons, and well, that's for the customizer. And the solution library. This is so good. The customizer library. As you can see, my software, the Gohighlevel software, has my logo spinning right here. So how I did this? I did it with this software solution library, but it's not just that. You also have dashboard and login. You can customize everything, customizing the menu. You can customize the menu, replacing the Gohighlevel menu, additional dashboard scripts like location support codes. You can show a support code right here. Advanced features. Okay, this is in the customizer also. And the calendar, you can also customize the calendar color themes with this software. Chat widget, customize the chat widget. Open one to scroll down the page. Checkout terms. This is so good. The 2-step coupon codes are so great. Like you can have a coupon right here. Go to step 2, and here you can add a coupon for 50%, whatever you want. Okay, well, memberships and surveys, type form, surveys, style. You can see the forms, ClickFunnels forms, sticky forms, and form styles like password filling forms. So you have a lot of stuff. Well, this is my favorite, funnel builder. You also have you can customize, add a slider, JavaScript in funnel buttons. Well, there's a lot of stuff like testimonials, like text links open in the pop-up, progress bar almost done. So have different progress bar and separators, different separators. So yeah, so that's the software. I truly recommend this. If you want to check the price, just click the button right here.